Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of logging into your Navy Federal Credit Union account easily and efficiently. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a seamless login experience. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use popular browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Step 2. Go to the Navy Federal Credit Union website. In the address bar, type in the official Navy Federal Credit Union website URL, www.navyfederal.org. Hit the Enter key to navigate to the homepage. Step 3. Locate the Login button. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. This is typically found at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the Login section. Step 4. Select account type. You will see options for different types of accounts, such as personal, business, or commercial. Choose the option that corresponds to the type of account you want to access. Step 5. Enter your login credentials. Now, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to type carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 6. Enable Remember Me. Optional. If you are using a private device and want to save your login credentials for future use, you can check the Remember Me box. This will keep you logged in automatically next time you visit. Step 7. Click on Login. After entering your information, click on the Login button. This will take you to your account dashboard if your credentials are correct. Step 8. Password recovery, if needed. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. You'll be guided through steps to reset your password securely. Step 9. Log out after use. Once you're finished using your account, make sure to log out, especially if you're on a public or shared device. Click on your account profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Thank you for following along with our login guide for Navy Federal Credit Union. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more financial tips and guides.